We manufacture on-site power generation controls, equipment that helps people keep their lights on.
It's jobs. And now more than ever, with close to double-digit unemployment, we have to have jobs for our state. We are blessed in this area with so many great manufacturers that are producing and making so many great items for all across the world. Take Intercon, for example. I mean, their fingerprints are on their products, and going from here, right here in East Peoria, world headquarters, to over 100 countries around the world.
From day one, we were shipping product overseas, and we've been export focused forever since then. And being here in Peoria, located with Caterpillar, we tied in with Caterpillar from the beginning in 1975, and they are in the world everywhere, and so we follow them everywhere in the world.
Government needs to create an environment, create the baseline, create that environment that's going to make it welcoming for business and manufacturers to come to the state and grow. And unfortunately, I think all too often it goes the other way. I mean, unfortunately, we've seen just this week alone, and we've seen it far too often, where we're losing manufacturing jobs across the state lines. You hear many people talk about we're losing them to China and overseas, and there is some jobs that we've lost that way, but we're losing far too many jobs to our neighboring states. And we need to look at the environment, we need to look at the tax policy, we need to look at what other states are doing to create that environment to make it welcoming for jobs to come here to the state of Illinois.
The world is moving technologically in a way that if we don't have the manufacturing base here, then we're going to be dependent on other people for those things that are necessary to live on.
It's got to be a top priority for us to continue to be able to thrive, to have companies like Intercon continue to thrive and stay here and try to get some of those jobs that we've lost to other states back here to the state of Illinois. We have a lot of great things going. The state of Illinois is a wonderful place to be. It's a wonderful place to live and work and raise a family. I'm doing that, as you are, and we need to show off all the things that the state of Illinois can do in creating that environment so that we can grow our tax base, so that we can have more revenue in the coffers for some of our top priorities.